Today's video is another update on a stock that I've been watching closely, been waiting patiently, and I feel like now is the time to potentially strike.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not.
What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. Hope, of course, you're all well. If you've watched my last video that I just released there on Matterport, it's in the same vein. We're picking a stock here. It's been on my watch list. We're just going to do a quick overview of what the company is about, the reasons why we're striking, and a quick look at the charts. Just like in the last video, I have to say that we have done well on cars. Picked this stock yesterday. I told you I was buying it on the open, and as you can see, we finished 5.2% up. Mightn't seem like a huge win, but when you're in and out of these things with substantial amount of money, it all adds up. That is a great trade. And check out my video I've just released there on Matterport. It is also very good. I feel like we're going to be running hot on this, and this one is no different. Lil Auto, we just go straight into it. Lil Auto stock revs past buy point on EV markers earnings, bullish guidance. China-based Lil Auto reported mixed third quarter earnings early Monday as the electric vehicle startup gears up to offer more models, and investors look to see if the chip woes are beginning to wane. Lil Auto broke past a buy point, but paired gains could still be unactionable. Lil Auto sells just one vehicle, the hybrid electric Lil 1 Sport utility vehicle, but co-founder and president Johan Shane said in the call with Lil Auto stock investors August that more models are on the way. We have 3 platforms under development: the X platform for our next generation extended range electric vehicle, with the first model to be released in 2022, and the Whale and the Shark platform for our battery electric vehicle models will be launched in 2023. It delivered 7,649 vehicles in October, more than double the year ago period and slightly higher than the 7,094 in September. Like other automakers, Lil production has been hampered by parts and chip shortages. However, industry watchers say supply is appearing to be improving. And that's across the board. We've been doing well on XPeng recently as well. And let's just have a quick look at some of the report facts. Analysts expected Lil Auto to narrow its losses to 3 cents a share versus an 8 cents a share loss in the same period. So Lil Auto lost 6 cents share adjusted. So that is still better than what it was, but not quite the expectations. But revenue shot up 210% in local currency to 1.21 billion. Lil Auto delivered 25,000 vehicles in the third quarter. Look at this. Q4 revenue should jump 113 to 127% in local currency, and it sees Q4 deliveries to 30,000 to 32,000, up 107% year on year. Shows good November and December sales, with November figures likely to be out later this week. And this is why we're kind of jumping on this, because what we have seen is the likes of obviously Tesla, they're robbing. We've got Go EV, Canoe, which has been they're robbing. XPeng, they're robbing. And it's no coincidence, these are the hot sectors. These are why these are on my watch list. Even if we just look at XPeng, from the lows here of 4th of October right up until the 29th of November. So you're not even talking 2 months, you've felt 52%. Another stock that has been absolutely delightful this past month has been Go EV. We go back to sort of the start of October right up until now, we've got a 100% rise on Go EV. That has been phenomenal. And I just think that this sector, rightly so, is throbbing. Because it is the future. Everyone knows it. There's a lot of players in this space. I'm not saying all of them are going to win. At the moment, I'm looking for stocks that I can just, ride trends. And right now, the trend is hot in these sectors. And Lil Auto, to me, on the back of this earnings, I'm watching very closely. I see in the pre-market it's looking likely to go up. Again, not going to go huge money. I'm not saying put the whole house on it, but I'm just saying there could be potential here. And if we go back to sort of the 6th of October and ride it up, where we're at, we're up 30% on Lil Auto. So this could be great news. I'm going to be watching the trend very, very carefully. If this turns good, I think I'm going to be in, but we can already see the turnaround. We can already see the buy symbol coming in. This to me is looking good. You know the crack if you have the course. The course link is down now below. You can get on these trades, but if you don't want to buy the trades, you can just like and subscribe and trust that I'm looking at these, and hopefully you can make your own adjustments on the RSIs, the MACDs, the averages, what all that means. If you do know what it means, this is looking like a good one for me. That is the video. I hope you're liking these ones. If you do, again, please like, subscribe, help me grow the channel. I'll catch you in the next trading video. Peace.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not.